In his book, Specials, John Bolster asks the inevitable question, what is a special? He goes on to say, a special is a car built for a specific purpose by an amateur, either entirely to his own design or by combining the essential parts of a number of makes. The reason for building it is simply to produce a car with a better performance than anything the constructor could hope to afford to buy ready-made. Let's go to the workshop, have a look at some specials. Welcome to the workshop. This car, some of you will be familiar with, the Wellesley Special, built a few years ago with my son. As you can see, it's made out of two BSA three-wheelers welded together. But we're going to do a full piece on that later on. We just come and have a look at some of the bits. We've got a major mechanical failure at Prescott, broken bits there, and the engine is still not quite repaired. Well, I'm just waiting for somebody to put that in. Over here, we're just waiting for this to take a shit, obviously. This to me is the very essence of the special, a definitive special, Alta-Cock, first built in 1948, Austin 7 chassis, Douglas flat twin engine, used competitively for just over 40 years. And we've recently acquired this and we'll be running this at hill climbs and sprints in the near future. We're going to do a more detailed piece on that at some point soon. This might not look very much, but this is the Cope trike, built in the late 1930s by Frank Cope to do MCC trials events, which we're just about to start putting together. So it's front wheel drive with an extra engine just to drive the rear wheel. Might be the world's only three-wheel drive car. At the back here, walk this way. This is the next project, one of the Dorcas cars that we're going to be building a replica of. More on that to come. John Bolster specifically excluded trials cars from the book, and he was writing at a time when people tended to go trialling in standard cars, but these days people build what he would recognise as a special to go trialling in. And this is one such car. This is a 1928 Morris flat nose chassis, the Morris Oxford front end, Model A engine, a Riley rear axle with a lightweight body in the style of a GN or a 3098. And just to finish up, currently in the workshop, we've got this car, customer's car. We're just waiting for the engine to come back. It's a 4-cylinder BSA three-wheeler. We're just going to be finishing that up. This is one of our own cars. This is on our fleet. We've just done a full engine and gearbox rebuild on this, so this will be back on the road in the coming days. But as you can see, we've got a passion and enthusiasm for specials from this period. So we're going to be looking at the specials that we own, looking at the specials we're building, planning to build, the specials that other people are building, and just generally larking about in old cars.